Hernia repair devices. These are medical tools designed for the treatment of hernias, which occur when an organ or tissue pushes through a weak spot in the surrounding muscle or connective tissue. The repair devices used are meshes. These are medical devices used to repair hernias. It is usually made of synthetic materials like polypropylene and is placed over the weak area of the abdominal wall to provide support and prevent recurrence. Tacks. These are small, surgical devices used to secure mesh during hernia repair surgery. The number of tacks used during a procedure can vary depending on the size and severity of the hernia. There are two varieties of tacks: biocompatible titanium tacks, and absorbable tacks. Hernia suturing devices are used to secure and close hernias during surgery. They are used for suturing the mesh or tissue, reducing the risk of recurrence.